Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ricardo. So, I just wanted to come online today to thank you all for definitely supporting and following me. If it's just liking a live video, it's tagging a family member or a friend, or sharing my cooking content, I just want you all to know that I definitely appreciate it. I started Cooking with Ricardo less than a year ago, giving you all different cooking content, different recipes to try. Some people that wasn't so good of a cook, making them become a better cook is definitely a blessing in my eyes, to be able to give something to the universe and people can benefit from. So the reason I actually came on live today to tell you that, you guys, I've actually achieved one of my milestones that I've been trying to achieve. And like I said, it took me less than a year. As of today, I have over 10,000 people that is following me. I just want to let you all know that I definitely appreciate it. Love the support. Many more milestones to actually go to achieve. I'm just blessed to have you all on the train of success with me. And other than that, I want everyone to know that anything that you have thought about doing, have been planning on doing, first thing you need to do is definitely go ahead and try it. Without trying it, you don't know how successful you can be at it. So anybody that's watching this, I want you to know to definitely try to do anything that you have put your mind to. So I have decided to show you some of the guests that I've had on my show in the past and some funny moments that I've had with them. Hope you enjoy. Other people the measurements. You doing the measurements? What's up? What you gonna do?
So we're just gonna do a little dabble, you feel me?
Now y'all, while she cutting this cabbage, y'all let me know if she doing right, okay?
I'm about to drop these pork chops.
You about to drop the pork chops?
Yes, I am.
Can I hold the plate first? She about to drop the pork chops. I want all y'all to be aware. She is. Maybe let me turn the light on. Can y'all see better with the light on and off? Okay. She about to drop the pork chop. Y'all see all that? Y'all see all that right there? Y'all see this? I want to make sure y'all watching. Y'all see all this? And she about to drop the pork chop. All this is spots that it ain't no flour, y'all. I just want y'all to see this before she do it. Can you please toss these one at a time in that flour, please? Oh. Let me see what I'm doing. That's how y'all supposed to be doing.
Say what?
That's what you said I'm supposed to do.
That's what you said.
Girl, you cooking the red potatoes. What you asking me what to do, girl? Girl, you got the boil, turn it on and boil it. Girl, who cooking this? Add a little salt.
But he the one that had the car stab somebody, right?
Yeah, he was right. That's what a black person do.
That's not rules. This day and age, we like this one before we stop.
Sir, I'm wrong with that. That's not a rule.
But a lot of people got road rage and a lot of
That's not a rule. That might be a little cheese sauce, but that's not a rule. A rule is brown. I'm just saying, I'm from Louisiana Creole. That's not a rule. Rule is put a gumbo, bitch, make some chicken in it. That's not a rule.
Exactly.
He said something.
What's the next
something?
He's not the cook. Next topic.
Okay, hold on. It's Kiki Shepherd.
Hold on.
Josh.
Hold on. I got one. Say what you said?
A roux doesn't have to be from.
Oh, okay. Where you from?
I'm from Louisiana.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
New Orleans.
Go ahead. Next
What
topic.
you cooking in a roux that ain't brown?
We make a white roux when you're making a bechamel sauce. You make a white roux.
I don't think that's called roux.
Girl, Twitter's out online, okay?
At least he know what you're making and help showing us what he act about. It's lit, it's smile. Thank you. My Twitter is twitter.com/U want stamina. Same thing for my OnlyFans.
Okay.
They said yes, this host is the bomb. And we need to
Oh,
put her in
I
live.
know he looks. What you're not going to do is come on my cooking show trying to promote your OnlyFans. Some of this out, and I'm gonna lay it the long way, okay? You can leave some of the root out. Let me. Okay. Go ahead and do the next
They
one.
say do your job. Hey, April, you not here. You just
Thank you, April, girl. Get him together. Thank you, girl.
Ricardo already know. Good help is hard to find.
Baby. Can I get some good help, somebody?
And I'm about to add the butter. So we have 2 sticks of butter that we're gonna combine in the bowl.
It's not butter. It's not butter. It's better. Oh, yes, Jill, girl. Get her together, honey. Tell her butter is better. Period. Girl, you heard it from the viewers, girl. Butter.
Up to a good consistency.
So basically, she don't know the correct wording when it comes to baking.
I don't. I'm not a professional.
As of right now, she has some cream cheese and she has margarine, not butter. I know she said butter. She has margarine and some cream cheese and she's blending it until it's fluff. Okay? So she's fluffing it right now, okay?
Okay, thank you for the terminology.
If you're watching this, definitely go like my page, Cooking with Ricardo. Like this video, share this video. You can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Facebook, and you can follow me on YouTube. Thank you all, and bye.